Hi, today you will learn how to resize or scale your video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline, maybe somewhere here. And then I need to click on this video and I need to click right mouse button on it. After that, I need to go to Insert and Effect. And here I have something like Transform. I need to select this option. And then I will be able to resize my video. So I can increase the size of this video, or I can decrease the size of this video. Everything depends on your preferences, yeah? Then you will be able to move this video somewhere here, or if you want to scale it to specific size, you can do it here. For example, I will type here 2000 and I press enter. And maybe here I will type 1000 and I press enter. And then of course you can modify the position of this video. And here of course you can modify the scale settings. You can type here, for example, 200 and press enter. So how you see, it really works, yeah? If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.